What's up, everyone? How is everyone doing? Let me get in the light. Guys, I'm going to do an experiment this evening, all right? An experiment with our wild cat. Here we have province raised on what? Fish guts, fish bones, chicken bones. You know, all the stuff that province people feed their animals, their cats, their dogs. And I'm not saying everyone, you know, there could be somebody out there that does go out and get the good food. But for the most part, most of your cats and dogs are raised on rice and you name it. But anyways, my experiment is, I picked up some of this. All right, tuna and salmon, Shiba, expensive cat food, 44 pesos. All right. And what I want to do is I want to see if this cat, our cat Mingai, will eat expensive food or she'll turn her nose up on it. She is very picky, right? Like Mingai will eat she'll only eat what? Like chicken?
Chicken.
Fish.
Yeah, chicken, fish, but chicken eat raw.
She'll eat it raw.
Yeah, because she was
Right.
a hunter.
But yeah, I mean, she's eating snakes here. She's eating rats. She's eating what else? Lizards, cockroaches. So let's see how picky Mingai is going to be with the Shiba cat food, the very expensive stuff. Now I got to find Mingai. Mingai's outside because they're cleaning fish. All right, I just opened it up and. Ooh, it does smell like tuna.
Wait.
It does smell like tuna. Mingai is finally here. There's Mingai.
Mingai, no, that's not
There's
yours.
Mingai. So hang on. Look, carry that. Hold that. Let me get something to get it out with. All right, Mingai. Let's see, Mingai.
Mingai, here.
Mingai.
No, he doesn't care. She doesn't care. Mingai, here. Look.
Mingai.
Here. Here. Let me see.
Let's see. Will Mingai eat it? Yeah. Mingai does eat it. Mingai's loving it. Or will she eat it all? Or she just like... I know Coconut Head would eat it in a heartbeat. She does like it. Wow. Look at you, Mingai. You're a Shiba cat. Look at you. Shiba cat. You should be the spokescat for Shiba products here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh. No, she's getting a chunk or two out of it. Yeah, I say she'll eat it. Yeah. Nice day. Overcast, but a nice breeze. Humidity is low. Do you have anything to say to our subscribers, Angry Bird? All right. Thank you. Angry Bird is sitting on some new eggs. And, well, she's angry. She had 2 that hatched, but I think she has a surrogate, or she has a nanny. She's a smart chicken. Believe it or not, she's a smart chicken. She'll lay on the eggs. The eggs hatch, and the little chicks are ready to come onto the ground and run around. She has another hen with her. And then that hen takes over. She's a smart nanny. She is a smart chicken. Anyways, ignore the wash. It is wash day today. So everybody's doing their wash, with the rain. They got to find places to hang it. We got it hanging here. Just your typical Filipino house. Over there, they got theirs hanging. But anyways, today is a big day, right? Coconut Head, chilling like a villain. It's Sunday. We are starting our kitchen counter tile project. And that's what they're working on right now. Let me get in here and I'll show you. Got all our stuff on the table. We got cockroaches running. Where's Mingai, the cat, when you need him? Anyways, we got the project going on. Got Uncle here. That is going to be the countertop. We have another tile. I'll show you here. That's the backsplash tile right there. It'll be done here. We tore all this out of here. All right, we had a water problem, and it sucked into the wood that was down there. So that's all coming out. We're gonna lay all new tile back in through here. I know, Philly, you're doing it backwards. The tile should have been laid before you put the cabinets in. Well, we needed the cabinets in because if not, there'd have been stuff just all over the house for the past 2 years. So we're ripping all that out, laying tile in there. This cabinet right here, that cabinet right there. Bottom half here is coming out, ripping all that out of there, and just gonna have here, and then we'll get some paint on everything. So that's what's going on. Tile project. We got the muck, we got the mud, we got Uncle Pooksy, the DJ. He's DJing. So that's the project for the week. All right, guys. So they've been at it pretty much all day, except for when they took a snack break. Remember, we have to provide a snack break. So they had delicious spaghetti. Anyways, let me give you, I haven't done this in a while, like a tour around the property here, but some things have changed. And we've taken down our Christmas tree that was out here, which is right there where that black little stand is put there. But I have direct eyesight and eye contact to Angry Bird. Angry Bird is looking at me right through that little hole right there. See how close I can get to Angry Bird. See her? See her looking at me in there? See her? Yeah, she's got her eye on me. That's for damn sure. But yeah, like I said, we took down the Christmas tree, and not much going on as far as, growing anything, because it's just been wet season, rainy season. This will all get full of a lot of water when it rains, and that's coming off the road. And then, of course, the garden up here. Let me walk through here. Nothing going on. You have nothing growing in there, right, Lut? You have nothing growing in there. No, I mean, you've got, what is it, lemongrass over there.
Lemongrass, lemon, and that's it.
Lemongrass.
Some eggplant.
But nothing like it is in the summertime. There is where is the calamansi tree, Lut?
Down there, oh.
Hiding over here?
No.
Where?
Look at me. Straight.
Oh, okay. We do have a calamansi tree that they put in here when we first got here. And it's still growing. I think that's it, but it's not getting really doing. I mean, it is. How long does it take? I couldn't tell you. Sugar cane's all down now. We had sugar cane here with the typhoon that rolled through. Pretty much destroyed the sugar cane patch. What is this? New sugar cane popping up?
Yeah.
This is new sugar cane popping up. Yep, you can see it. So we got new sugar cane growing in here, which kind of grows, I guess, even during the wet season, rainy season. But our eggplants were through here, but nothing. It's just too rainy. I mean, we'll get a day or two with sun, and then bam, back to rain. Look, what are these? This. Cassava. What about this plant right here?
Lemon.
That's the lemon tree? Wow, they've grown.
This one here, lemon.
Yeah, these grow. I remember they were only yay tall. They have grown. This is just some kind of flower right here. What tree is this?
Tambis. That's fruits.
Like some kind of fruit. Where's the money tree?
Money tree?
Yeah, the money tree. You know, all foreigners have money trees.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah. There's a tiny baby eggplant on there. This is lemon, right? Lemon tree. They've grown really good. What is this?
Nothing. Just grow.
Nothing. I don't know what that says. Nothing. Well, there's a couple of them right here. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but that's grass.
Well, it says that's a weed. What is this?
They call this lubi-lubi like a coconut, but that is...
Lubi like a coconut, she says.
Yeah, they always design this when they got like graduation.
These are pretty right here.
Yeah.
Those are real pretty. This looks like a little fern tree.
Yeah.
Is that what that is? And of course flowers, but they'll die. We'll yank them out of there. But pretty much, what's this?
That's grass too.
Some type of weed. She's saying. Well, let's cleaning all up through here. Let's roll this way. You know, we have our plants out here that are growing well. This is Lit's older brother, Larry. He is the father of Nini, Ling Ling, Slim Jim, Uyak, and Tintin. There's another one. But he just bought this motorbike here. Used, but in good shape. And then we have these flowers through here. She went out and got some, what do you call this? Coconut dirt?
Yeah.
Coconut dirt. Supposedly it helps grow things better. Like, I guess like a miracle grow. And all these plants here, Lut's mom brought from the province a couple months ago. And they are doing well. These here, these are pretty, but you know, they'll die off as soon as they're done. But these here did really well. These are really nice. When we got them planted, they were only a little bit in the middle. And they've grown up. Got them here, here, here. These are like starter pots, you know, and they get little flowers on them. And look, oh wait, Houdini has made an appearance. Houdini! Houdini! How you doing, Houdini? He's the only one that's got a name. Him and Angry Bird. I quit naming the birds and roosters around here because well, sometimes they don't last. Same type of flower here, here, here. But yeah, that's really about it. These are nice. They planted these here. The entrance of the driveway, they got a pretty orange flower on them. Really nice. Same one here, where they need to get out here and clean up. I said, when it rains, it all runs down. All the trash runs down through here, and we got to come out and police the area up. But anyways, that's really about it. Nothing really planted over here. This is just turns into a big old mush pit. So that's it. Now there somewhere behind the house over there, Lit's mom has a bunch of root crops over there. And the old Christmas tree is still up. We don't know when we'll take that down. You know, they spent so much time to make, and it looks so nice. It's like, and people still ride by and look at the tree. But eventually that'll get down because that's where the basketball hoop is. And I know old Slim Jim he's dying. He's dying to get some basketball in. Trike under there, Lut's uncle, and they were painting all that. They fixed all that, welded some stuff on it. And then, of course, we have these plants all through here. I think they're pretty, all down through here. And the orchids, the purple orchids and the white orchids, all the way down through here. But that's it. That's about what's been going on. Wood, gathering wood, of course, to cut up wood for cooking. Because everybody's cooking here. They're cooking in their house over there. Uncle cooks in his house. We cook back there in the main area. But that's it. That's it. I tell you, those that have seen this place when we first got here, it has come along in day and night. Day and night. The kids used to walk around and just open a piece of candy, throw the wrapper on the ground, maybe get a drink and throw that on the ground. Now we got them all pretty much to the point where, nope, you throw your trash in the proper area. All right. Now what you do out there on the street, well, that could be a different story. But yeah, anyways, I said I'll go in and I'll show you the kitchen, what's been done to it. All right, let's wrap this one up, shall we? An update on the kitchen sink tiling. Everybody's in here, chilling out, hanging out, listening to music. Give you an update, show you what's going on. I should have Larry's landed finishing up the tiles. I should have that done today. Uncle's doing the backsplash area here. Looks good, looks good. They'll lay this tile tomorrow. The shad up. That cabinet's been ripped out. That through there has been ripped out. What a mess that was. That was crazy. Water was trapped all up underneath on the wood. And when they ripped that out, it was a mess. So, but yeah, they had the tile done here. I don't know how many pieces you got. Like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. And that'll be a wrap on it. Then what we'll do is, once this is all done, we'll paint all the cabinets, paint all through here, paint everything through here. We'll get some skim coating on these walls here and continue on with the project, but they're doing a good job. I think they're doing a good job. It'd be nice. The cabinets that were here, we ripped all that out. That's all gone. And what Little do is she'll probably put some type of curtain or something going all the way around. That way we can store up underneath there. And we just, the wood was not a good idea. But anyways, it is what it is, and they're finishing it up. And got anything to say, Nene? You ready to go to school tomorrow? You ready to go to school, Ashley? How about you, Junior? Yeah? Yes? Nene? Ashley? No? Yes? No? Booksy, ready to go to work tomorrow? All right. Oh, there it is, guys. Tomorrow I got to get my tires. I got my tires over here. There's Rockstar. Look at them all spread out. My tires right there. I will go to town tomorrow and get those put on. Rain or shine, I'll get out and I'll do it. But anyways, that's it. That's what's going on here. And just an update. And, you know, my Filipino family is tearing apart my my kitchen. But we're improving it. So leave comments below. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you later.